Good evening, everybody. So, I'm going to do a video of this coffee maker. This is our brand new Ninja coffee maker that we received a couple days ago. Here it is, right there, guys. So, just like my grandparents' coffee maker, it's got two. I don't know. Actually, no. It just only. Never mind. It only has at least one cup in it. So what we're gonna do is, well, first let's go ahead and plug this in. This cord is pretty small. And watch these lights, guys. Oh, that's nice. Classic Ridge. Got water in there. We're gonna test out with water first. So I don't know how to do this.
I don't either. Let's do.
Well, there's a brew right there.
Let's do 18. Hairstyle. Oh, well, you gotta start down here.
Hang on. I think we figured it out now.
Oops.
We might put this in there. There we go. Now we see it.
No.
Let's
Classic is fine.
let's do the size.
Let's do 18.
Now we gotta get a cup to go in there first. I'll use a regular coffee cup. Make sure it's all nice and locked up. So we should.
Fit under there?
This fits under there, and what we need to do is we're gonna press we're gonna be pressing the brew button. It's hard to see on camera. There we go. There we go. 18. Right now it's gonna have to heat the water first, as you can see. What was that? Oh my. Smells a little bit, but it's probably the first time. Okay, what's it gonna do now?
It's like the other one where it waits a minute and then it's heating.
Oh yeah? What is that? oxygen, guys. It's finishing up just a moment. I like how it shows the numbers right there too.
I wonder if it's gonna be.
I don't know. Oh. Oh.
That's it.
That's it. There you go, guys.
Then you can move this tray to show them that.
You can move this tray.
Shorter cup.
And it's easier compared to this coffee maker right there. Well, there you go, guys. Before I end this video, let's take a look at this coffee maker. This is the coffee maker we had for a while. This thing has seen better days. Here's the thing. Here's the... If you press stay warm. Let me listen to that beep for you. It beeps 5 times on this one. And this one right there beeps at least 3 times. So there you go, guys. Unfortunately, this is going to be the only video of this old coffee maker. We had that since probably 2016. And I don't know if I'm going to do a video on that, because we're going to actually throw this one out. Here's the coffee maker. My dad uses it every day. So, but yeah, we're going to say goodbye to this very nice, very old coffee maker. It's been a great coffee maker. And install this new Ninja coffee maker. Alright, that's it, guys.